You see Hoover Street here. Officials say it's one of the most dangerous streets in all of Los Angeles. And now
stigmatizes them so badly, and then so we push them really far away, and we put all these barriers in between productive normal and their stigmatize them so badly, and then so we push them really far away, and we put all these barriers in between productive normal society and their drug use, and we make it almost insurmountable for them to come back. Oh, okay, you don't want to be living in a tent smoking fentanyl anymore? Well, too bad you have 7 felony convictions, outstanding court fees. You know, like, oh, you can't get housing. Oh, no, you can't get this job. And it's like people who need more help because they've been struggling with addiction.
Qué bonito, el vato anda rileando. Qué bien.
I knew it.